Imagine the rhythmic symphony of soft tapping as fingers dance across Victorian typewriter keys, a lost art in today's digital world. Each stroke echoes stories of creativity and passion, transforming blank pages into profound narratives. These machines, crafted from metal and love, evoke nostalgia while inspiring modern writers to embrace their charm. Did you know that the first commercial typewriter launched in 1873 sparked a revolution in communication? Revel in the melodies of their clicks and clacks, and let their timeless allure inspire your own writing journey.